New insight tonight into the ruling by a divided Supreme Court regarding tactics by Governor Greg Abbott to keep migrants from crossing the border. In a 5-4 vote, the justices allowed Border Patrol agents to cut the razor wire Texas installed near Eagle Pass. This is just another chapter in an ongoing power struggle between Texas leaders and the U.S. government. KENS 5 reporter Megan Reyna joins us live with more on these legal fights. Megan?
Well, EC's Governor Greg Abbott had this razor wire installed along roughly 30 miles of the Rio Grande. A lower court ruling last year prevented the federal government from taking it down. But today, the justices granted an emergency appeal from the Biden administration. Tonight, the governor's office is reacting.
Governor Greg Abbott has been claiming for months that by cutting down these razor wires, Border Patrol agents were contributing to the surge of migrants. But the Biden administration argues the razor wire makes it harder for Border Patrol to reach migrants who have already crossed into the U.S. San Antonio immigration attorney Carlos Castañeda says there are certain areas of the law the federal government has complete control over, and that includes immigration.
Immigration is also specifically referenced in the Constitution as one of the powers of the federal government. So there is a high bar to meet in terms of trying to prevent the federal government from doing something in the area of immigration.
Governor Abbott's spokesperson said in his statement Monday, without the razor wire and other tactics, it, quote, encourages migrants to make unsafe and illegal crossings between ports of entry, end quote.
I really can't say that the existence of many of these barriers serves as a meaningful deterrent to people that have already made the difficult decision to leave their home countries.
And this is just the latest in the legal fight brewing between Texas leaders and the Biden administration. Earlier this month, Abbott used National Guard soldiers to take control of a public park in Eagle Pass that Border Patrol was using to hold and inspect migrants. Castañeda expects these legal battles to continue.
This is not the end of this story. There's plenty of political juice to get from it. From a legal perspective, we are barely at the middle.
And a lawsuit over those razor wires is still playing out despite the Supreme Court's decision today. KENS 5 will continue to cover this story with a crew headed to Eagle Pass tomorrow. Megan reporting live, Megan Reyna, KENS 5.
Thank you, Megan.